Upgrading a new home with a comprehensive home weatherization package delivers measurable energy savings and year-round comfort. Start by focusing on creating an airtight building envelope. Systematically seal gaps at the foundation, rim joists, electrical penetrations, and around plumbing stacks using low-expansion foam for larger voids and high-quality caulk for smaller cracks. Pay special attention to transitions between dissimilar materials such as where framing meets sheathing because these are common leakage paths. Next, increase insulation levels beyond minimum code by adding continuous exterior sheathing or dense packed cavity insulation to reduce thermal bridging. Use a mix of materials when appropriate, for example rigid foam at exterior walls and cellulose, or spray foam in cavities, and ensure proper installation density and void filling to prevent settling. Replace or retrofit windows focusing on whole unit performance values rather than just the glass type. Look for windows with low solar heat gain coefficient in hot climates and lower U values in cold climates. And when retrofitting, air seal and insulate the window pocket before trimming to preserve the thermal barrier. Seal and insulate ductwork in unconditioned spaces by sealing all joints with mastic and using insulation with a high R value and UV stable jacket, and balance the system with proper dampers so rooms receive design airflow. Test ducts with a blower door assisted duct test if possible to quantify leakage and guide repairs. Add a programmable or smart thermostat and pair it with ventilation that includes heat recovery to maintain indoor air quality while minimizing energy losses. And size the heat recovery ventilator for the home's continuous ventilation needs instead of relying on intermittent window opening. Finally, document each upgrade with photos and simple performance notes so future owners or contractors can understand what was done and why, and schedule a follow-up blower door and thermographic inspection after changes to verify real-world improvements. The most common mistake is ignoring small air leaks because they add up quickly and undermine insulation performance. A quick solution is to perform a simple blower door test, or at minimum, a systematic walkthrough with a smoke pencil to find and seal leaks. Another frequent issue is under insulating or leaving thermal bridges at studs and framing. Resolve this by adding continuous insulation or using advanced framing techniques and specifying higher cavity fill densities. A third problem is poorly sealed or undersized ductwork, which reduces comfort and raises energy bills. The fix is to mastic seal all joints, insulate ducts to a minimum equivalent of R8 in unconditioned spaces, and complete a room-by-room airflow balancing. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners to local contractors and provides project information tailored to home weatherization packages, so we help people find professionals and compare approaches. We also host an active discussion community where we share lessons learned, ask questions, and get peer input on real-world upgrade experiences.